After the evidence for the electron came the evidence for the nucleus. So the next breakthrough in understanding the atom came about 10 years later, when Jaeger and Marsden were doing an experiment with radioactive particles. They were actually firing alpha particles, which are dense positively charged particles, at the thinnest piece of gold foil they could make. Those particles were expected, according to previous models, to pass straight through the gold atoms with their diffuse cloud of positive charge. However, the results shocked them. As you can see, we have here some deflected particles. Using those results, Rutherford said that Thomson's model wasn't possible. And then he developed a new model, where the positive charge must be concentrated at a tiny spot in the center of the atom. Otherwise, the large positive particles fired at the foil could never be repelled back towards their source. The model in this figure was then proposed, where electrons are orbiting around the nucleus, which represents the center of the atom, and this nucleus contains very dense positively charged particles, which are called protons.